This is the Coolpad Legacy giveaway. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from Techaeris.com, and I am going to do a really short video this week. I am very busy this week doing some reviews, writing stuff up, and preparing for vacation in the coming days. So video is going to be short, and it's going to be a good one today. We got a lot of good feedback and a lot of great views on our Coolpad Legacy review. That's this guy right here. This is for Metro PCS or T-Mobile, and we are going to give this away. So, in order to win the Coolpad Legacy, the first rule is you have to be in the United States. Sorry, international viewers, don't have the cash right now to be shipping out internationally. So this is for the lower 48 United States giveaway. And if you are in the lower 48 and you have an address in the lower 48, I will ship it to you once we pick the winner. The giveaway period is going to be 3 weeks. We're gonna wait 3 weeks until we announce the winner for this. If you want to win the Coolpad Legacy, you'll need to do a few things. First, you'll need to subscribe. Be a subscriber to this channel. Second, you'll need to like this video. And third, you'll need to comment below. Only one comment per person. Don't reply to comments and don't make 2 comments. 1 comment per person, and just tell me why you want the Coolpad Legacy or what you like about the Coolpad Legacy. Whatever you want to say, doesn't matter. Just make a comment below. Those are the 3 major things you need to do. If you're a subscriber already, then you're a third of the way there. So just like this video and then comment below, and then you're on the way to entering the Coolpad Legacy giveaway. Like I said, we're gonna run this contest for 3 weeks, and then we'll announce a winner, and then we will eventually get the winner his or her own Coolpad Legacy. I will be sure to link below the video that we did of this, the unboxing video and first impressions video of this phone. And I will also link below the full review that we did on the website. So make sure you read that. Make sure you check out the other video. Make sure you like that video as well. And do me a favor, share this video out to your friends and out to social media so we can get as many entries as we can get. I'd love to see, you know, a couple hundred, couple thousand entries if we can. We're going to be doing more giveaways here in the near future. This is not the only thing I have to give away. I have a few other things in the coming weeks, so keep an eye out for upcoming videos for giveaways. But for now, please share the channel. I appreciate you guys subscribing. I appreciate you guys liking our videos and reading our content. We're a growing channel, and I just hope to grow even further with your guys' help. And with some of these giveaways, we will continue to grow. So hey guys, if you want to win the Coolpad Legacy, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and make a comment below. And in 3 weeks, I will choose a winner, and then we'll be on our way. So, until next time, we will talk to you guys on the other side.